Let's take a look at the Honeywell Air Purifier HPA300. I actually purchased this air purifier from my gym. I own a gym and I have one room that's about 400 square feet, and this machine works incredibly well. After having it on for just 24 hours, so many of my clients said, Mike, the air smells so good in this room. They really do like it, and I love it too. See, what the manufacturer says is that it's good for a room that's 465 square feet or less, and it circulates the air 4.8 times every hour. But let's first measure it so you know how big it is. It actually goes up a little over 22 inches. It goes across about 18.5 inches, and it runs about 9.5 inches deep. So it's not too big, but it's relatively heavy. You know, it weighs about a little over 17 pounds. And there's actually 4 different settings on the machine, 4 different speeds. Let me show you how it works. So the power button's in the center. You hit the power button, it goes on. Now it's on germ, which is the lowest setting. You hit it one more time, it goes on general clean. That's generally what I like to keep it on, general clean. It gets a little bit louder and stronger. Hit it a third time, it goes to the third setting, and then there's a turbo setting, which gets really high. See, a lot of people are concerned that these machines make too much noise, but I'm right on top of it now. Like, I keep it on general clean, and you can see that, you can hear that it really doesn't make too much noise. I don't think noise is an issue with the unit at all. Another nice thing about it is there are also indicators for when you want to change the filters, which is nice too. Another thing I like about this unit is they give you a little bit of an information card on top, so you don't have to refer to the owner's manual whenever you want to do something. Now, this is how the unit works. The air is sucked in through the front of it, and then it comes out, clean air comes out from the top. So the filters are right here, and they have those HEPA filters and actually an odor filter. So how you open the unit up is you press here, it gets disconnected, and this first filter is like a black filter. It's kind of like about this thick. This takes a lot of the odors away. It's really great. And now you have your 3 HEPA filters. These are the filters that remove like 99.97% of allergens and particles. They're really great. This particular one is the R filter. So it uses 3 R filters. So easily replaced. You can purchase them just about everywhere. How this works, it comes here, snaps right back into place. Really simple to use. So if you're looking for an air purifier for a room, I would say 500 square feet or less, I think you'll be really happy with the Honeywell HPA300. And you may have noticed, I also have the smaller unit, the little tower. I have a small office in my gym. It's about 70 square feet. And I have this smaller unit for that office, and it really works great there as well.